Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this from. My name is Adrienne and welcome to my channel. This is my very first video, but I wanted to come on and introduce myself and also to give you a little rundown on what to expect on this channel. This channel, I will be making over, renovating, decorating my home one space, one room at a time. I will be using AI to help generate new design concepts that I will then try and recreate. Can I pull it off? Honestly, I don't know, but you'll have to watch and see. Now, I have already done a few projects around my home over the last few years, and unfortunately, this was before I decided to start this channel. Projects were not recorded, but I do have before and after pictures. So once I get to learn a little bit more about editing and so forth, I will be sure to share those pictures with you. And they'll pop up either here or there or somewhere down here, who knows. But I'll definitely get those pictures out there so that you can see what it is that I have already done. Because even those projects are going to be remastered in some way, tweaked a little bit to just make them a little bit better and enhanced. Because they were not AI assisted, I want to see if what AI will change. I just have to be transparent with you. I'm a little nervous. This is really outside of character for me to be so open and talk to the world, because I don't even know how many people are going to be watching this, but I hope and expect for it to reach the masses. So going forward, whenever I start renovating or doing any kind of makeover, I am going to upload the before picture and the AI generated design concept so that you will know firsthand exactly what it is that I'm trying to recreate. Some projects may be simpler than others, where they may I may be able to record it all in one video, while there's going to be other projects that will require multiple videos in order to show the completion. So I am excited to start this journey with all of you. If you like this kind of content, DIY projects, home makeovers, decorating, renovating, and seeing whether AI designs can actually come to life, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my challenges. I'll see you soon. Hey! So this is just pretend, Mom. I don't want to have to do it all. I think I have it. I may or may not, but rather than me just getting it and then have to figure out a way to put it back. We will really good nails. This house was built back in the 60s. The way they did things back then are not the way they do them now.